We guide you through how to delete Instagram search suggestions quickly and easily. First thing to do is to open Instagram app and tap the search icon at the bottom. Then, tap the search bar at the top to see your recent searches and suggestions. To remove individual suggestions, tap and hold the account or hashtag you want to delete. Then, select hide or remove when the option appears. If you want to clear all search suggestions at once, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, then go to settings and privacy, your activity, recent searches, then tap clear all to remove your entire search history. This will reset the search bar, stop showing unwanted suggestions, and help keep your Instagram experience private and organized.